This explosion I made in 1 minute. This one in 10 minutes. And this is a part of explosion I made in 50 hours. So if you enjoy this type of content, please like and subscribe to the channel so we can hit 1000 subscribers. And if someone who make VFX professionally watching this, sorry, I'm not professional, please don't judge me too hard, and let's go! Alright, let's start nice and easy. We are making the cheapest explosion you ever seen. First, we need to grab an awful green screen clip and record this somewhere on YouTube. It looks literally like garbage. We have our terrible explosion, let's green screen it, and we are done. Boom! Our first masterpiece. Zero realism, but hey, it explodes, it's okay. For this explosion, we need a 3D program. I personally choose Blender because it's free and has tons of assets online, plus thousands of tutorials. I start with an explosion asset and 3D model from Sketchfab, and I need to create particles and explosion modifier for this effect. And boom! After a quick render, we have a pretty good results. So let's check it out. This explosion is so good, is my personal favorite for this time. I cannot create something more realistic or better explosion because 1 hour is for VFX really short time. I cannot create something better, so alright, so I was thinking for about like 5 hours, what should I make? An epic fight scene or something completely different? But then I got an idea. The explosion I'm making right now is actually part of a bigger project I'm working on, a huge exploding balloon. But in this video I'm only focusing on explosion itself, so let's jump into it. First thing I did was set up my particle system. I want explosion to have fast bursts, so I make particles count and make them shoot around like gas explosion or something like that. But there's a thing, particles alone don't bake properly in open space, so we need something around them. This is why I add this giant cube that covers whole explosion. This cube basically tells Blender, hey, bake everything inside me and don't let anything escape. So this is basically container that bakes explosions. So easy. After the simulation finished baking, I jump into shading because without good shading, even good explosion can look really flat and ugly. So I start tweaking and make some noise inside and fire temperature and so much these things, but I don't really understand, so I watch some random tutorial on YouTube how to do it. When I was making this super hard video, I make so many mistakes, like this one. I try to paint dynamite red, but I paint whole explosion. So I quickly fix this, and we can finally rate this 50-hour explosion. So let's go. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want some more explosions, please type it in the comment section. Bye.